What's the best way to make a TikTok shop video?
Grab your phone, put it down on the side, set it to recording for 10 minutes on TikTok, and just whatever you're using, if it's a mic, if it's beauty products, if it's health, if it's sportswear, you're just going to give your review on it. Your first time trying it, your first time having a go with it, and because the first time's always going to be the best time, you might like it more than you've ever tried anything before, and that's going to be your first reaction that I captured with you. We only used up 2. So in that 2 minutes, I'm going to find the best 20 seconds, and then in the best 20 seconds, I'm going to find the best part of that 20 seconds. I'm going to put that at the start of the video. And then throughout the video, we're going to be talking about all the good stuff, why you're going to use this product. Then you're going to get towards the end, and you're going to do a call to action. But it's not going to be a call to action where you're going to prompt them to tap the yellow basket. You're going to say, and it's £5 for a full year's supply. £5. And then stop. Because people are going to think, what? Like, I need that. That's cheap. What you've got to understand is when things are so cheap on TikTok, they don't even have to think about checking out. They just do it.